Pour-over coffee is meant to enhance the nuances of a cup of coffee by manually manipulating and controlling the different variables it takes to reach a delicious final product, says Michael Pocus, co-founder and coup of Domestique Coffee. There are many products available to choose pour-over coffee makers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pour-over coffee makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. Designed in 1941 by a chemist, the Chemex Classic series is a favored choice among the pour-over coffee community for its sleek design and sizable brewing capacity. Featuring heat-resistant glass and a polished wooden handle that serves as a heat guard when handling and pouring, the Chemex produced one of the best-tasting brews of the test, with the testers noting a smooth, velvety, and floral cup of coffee. Chemex encourages using their branded single-sheet filters that must be folded in a specific way before use. Careful pouring is needed to prevent collapsing the filter's flat-edged sides. However, with an all-in-one setup, brewing is straightforward, requiring only a consistent pour to achieve a great-tasting cup of coffee. Apart from its engineered-to-perfection design, there is no doubt this coffee maker will look great sitting atop your coffee bar. In addition, its patented glass allows the product to be placed in the refrigerator and enjoyed later without sacrificing the flavor quality. Number 2. Melita 1-Cup Porcelain Pour-Over Cone Coffee Maker. For those who want to avoid enjoying their morning cup at a hefty cost, the 1-Cup Porcelain Pour-Over from Melita offers a reasonably priced alternative. During testing, the coffee maker produced a floral, not too bitter cup of coffee, and our testers noted the easy preparation to brew the single cup. However, they noticed that the directions call for the most grounds of any other models tested. The design features windows at the base to see through to gauge the flow rate and prevent overfilling, while the inside has ridges that help pull the water downward at a steady pace. Cleanup is simple. Give it a quick rinse with soapy water or place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. Due to its white coloring, coffee drips are readily visible, so we'd recommend giving it a thorough wash after every use to prevent staining. Number 3. Chemex Funx. Well designed with a sleek, modern appearance, the Chemex Funx is a top-tier choice for quality brews and a pleasant brewing experience. It is constructed of double-walled borosilicate glass and comes with a silicone gasket compatible with all types of cups, mugs, and thermoses. During our tests, the pour-over yielded balanced and consistently great-tasting brews. According to the tester, using this coffee maker might overwhelm a beginner, but the learning curve is small, and after a few brews and experiments, this coffee maker is sure to become a necessity in your morning coffee routine. However, this reliable, portable coffee maker won't disappoint once adopted. Though dishwasher safe, a simple rinse with warm running water is all that's required during regular use. Number 4. Melita Porigami. This origami-style, stainless steel pour-over coffee maker is our portable coffee maker of choice. To use, interlock the 3 panels and place the device over the desired mug. When finished, its walls collapse into each other, leaving a slim profile that can stow away easily. During testing, the quality of the coffee left our testers wanting more, noting a balanced, slightly spiced cup. Our testers liked its durable construction and felt its $30 price tag was reasonable for an option that could withstand regular wear and tear. Travel aside, the Melita Porigami is also an excellent option for those with limited space who wish to keep their pour-over tucked away in a drawer. Number 5. Gator Pour-Over Coffee Maker. If a reusable brewing method is important to you, the pour-over from Gator provides a sustainable, straightforward solution. Assembling this coffee maker is intuitive. Simply place the reusable metal mesh filter on top of the carafe, and you're ready to begin brewing. The tests produced results that our testers described as very mellow, fruity, slightly floral, and very balanced at a really nice cup of coffee. When it comes time to clean, simply run the filter through warm water and use soap and water on the carafe. Due to its removable filter that will catch fine sediment and larger grounds, it's best to wash the pieces immediately after use. Avoid abrasive sponges, as the scratches can damage the finish or introduce new areas for bacteria to grow. In addition, our testers warned users to exercise caution when handling it, as the glass did not seem as durable as other glass carafes we tested. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.